All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. 6-in-1 miners, crypto project, yield farms, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about BUSD Rothschildwiney. What's the update? How's it going? I'm going to do a little update on that. We're also going to talk about BUSD crop yield farmers. It is no longer running. It's ran out of money. I've actually taken a loss on that. I'll show you that on the screen. I didn't play my cards right. Remember, these are all games, so you got to play your games the way you want to play it. Then I'm also going to talk about the BNB crop yield farmers that just launched. And it's going to be a fantastic episode. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day be able to make educated decisions on cryptocurrency. Might as well get this out of the way right off the rip. I'm not a financial planner. I do this for educational purposes only. This is a solo dolo kind of thing. If you click the little button and you make money, good for you. If you click the little button and you lose money, it happens. Do your own research. This is for educational purposes only. Let's head over to BUSD Rothschildwiney. All right, over here at Rothschildwiney BUSD. So what's going on with this project so far? Take a look. There's 56,451 BUSD in the contract right now, which is fantastic. Total deposits of 802. They got referrals, 2,300 in referral rewards. I actually put in $855 of BUSD. Remember, invest only what you're willing to lose. I've received half of my money back, $425. What am I doing? I'm making $120 a day. I'm on one compound right now. Remember, when you actually claim on this, you get 1.5 days. Let's take a look at the strategies here. You get 8% a day. You get a 5% referral reward. 30-day community challenge is on the bottom. There's a 6-time minimum compound, so you have to compound it 6 times. It's a 24-hour compound timer, so you don't have to do this twice a day. Once a day, every 24 hours, you click it and you compound. After 6 times, then you can actually withdraw your money. If you withdraw your money early, there's a 99% tax, so it doesn't really pay really well to not play the game the proper way. And remember, all these are games. In the BUSD crop yield farmers, I lost the game. In this one, I'm hoping to win. It's 36-hour reward accumulation cutoff. So what does that mean? So if I'm making $120 BUSD a day, you would take the 120, you would times it by 1.5. So when I get my rewards, I'm getting 180 every reward. I've already received half of my money back, which is fantastic. At 180, so I would need 180 times 3 more times. Basically, because I think 180 times 2 is 360, plus the 425, be 778. I wouldn't have my money back. So if this game plays around for 2 more weeks, I won't ROI on my project. If this game is around for 3 weeks, I will. Remember, all these are game. When the contract balance goes to 0, just like the BUSD crop yield farmers just went to 0, the game is over. All right, a couple things here. Over here at their Twitter account, Rothschildwiney provide high-risk, experienced projects in a DeFi space. Do not play with money you cannot afford to lose. You're going to see that I lost about $275 on the yield farmers. I'm okay with it because I played my game wrong, and I'll explain to you when I get there. Our BUSD miners is the first project that receives the audit by George Stamp, reliable unpaid audits. Right there's the George Stamp, which is fantastic. So check out what's going on, which is fantastic. Also, at their white paper, a new Rothschildwiney BUSD miner, definitely the one on the 16th of June. So it's been out for about 2 weeks. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, so I got about half my money back on this project. If it's around for 2 more weeks, I won't ROI. If it's around for 3 weeks, I will ROI if I keep compounding every 24 hours. All these projects, these 6-in-1s, these dApps, all these different things, Drip Network, Piston Token, all these are a game. It's a crypto. Crypto is a high risk, high reward. But notice the point about the high risk. It's high risk. You can lose your money. Let's head over to BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. I'm not mad at George. His project worked exactly the way it's supposed to. I just played the game wrong. All right, here's BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. It says contract has completed. The BUSD community farmer has distributed all the funds according to the pre-programmed algorithm. Currently, there is zero money, and the contract deposits have been disabled. Unfortunately, like all other things, BUSD community farmers has come to an end. So take a look at this. I deposited $918. I got back $634. I actually got my first referral. So if you were the referral out there, sorry you got in late. I didn't even get to claim my referral. I had $26 sitting here. I didn't get to claim that. Take a look over here. In this project, I had 162 days left. In this one, I had 2 days left. In this one, I had 56 days left. And in this one, I had 46 days left. So unfortunately, the only one that really kind of made it was the 40-day project. Now, the thing is I lost $278 in this. What did I learn? I learned that the ones that paid a lot of money for 200 days probably aren't going to happen. I would go in the lowest one. Look at the 40. The lowest one, 40. The 60-day one didn't even make it. But people did ROI out of this. There's a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people that made their money. A tremendous amount of people put their money in the 40-day project. So, again, being transparent with you, this was a loss for me. I play a lot of these different games. Some of them I win, some of them I lose. Let's take a look at this. On this one, the BUSD Crop Yield Farmers, the BUSD Crop Farmers, there's still $232,000 in the contract. I won on this one. I put $275 in, and I got $764 out, so I made over $500. So I lost $275 in that other project. So I mean, I really didn't lose because in this one I'm up, but this one, you got the mandatory compounds and this and that. On the other one that we were just talking about, I was reading some people on the Telegram that people were actually compounding every day, that there was people that basically never took any money out. You have to learn how to play these games. You have to do your own research. You have to pay attention to things. I did not. I mean, I got $634 back, but I put $918 in. I lost on this one, but on this one, $275 in, $764 back out so far, and I'm still going to be getting money. Right now, I'm on compound number 7. I got to compound this in 8 hours from now. So my point of all this is do your own homework. These are high-risk contracts. You can make money in DeFi, but you can also lose money, showing you that I just lost some money. Coming over to their new one, the BNB Crop Yield Farmers. They got a lot of BNB already invested, 777. Let's take a look at that. 777. 777. BNB is about 222 right now. So they got $172,000. Look, they got 3 plans. A 200-day plan. I'm going to run as far as I can away from this. This last one didn't even make it 60 days. So in my opinion, I'm never going to put money into this one. This 90-day one, looks okay. If I was going to invest in this just because I just lost in the other one, this would be the only one I would do. For my viewers out there, don't compound your head off and never take your money. Because again, the last one basically, this one right here, look, I had a 40-day plan. I had every one of these plans. The 40-day plan didn't even make it 40 days. It made it 38 days. Okay, right there. I put $69 in plan 4. Right here's plan 4. There was still 2 days left. So again, didn't even make it 40 days. So again, not fudding here, just being real, just lost some good money. If you were going to do these 3 plans, which one of these, which one, behind door number 1, 200 days, behind door number 2, 90 days, My only option here would be this plan 3, guys. So if you're going to put any money in, plan 3 looks like a good option. Check it out. Again, I'm not a financial planner. Obviously, you can see I just lost my money. I do all this for educational purposes only. But again, George's his projects do work good. They don't rug. You just got to know how to play the game. Listen, guys, don't compound every day and don't take your money. That's kind of silly. Don't do that. The other one that I'm doing, this DinoBusd. So remember, I put $500 into this. I've already got 120 sitting there. Take a look, 120 sitting there. I hit the thing today on the 4th of July around 7 o'clock. I have 30 of my 40 BUSD. On the 7th of this month, I get to claim I get to withdraw my first money. So I'm again in a lot of these different projects. This pays 8% a day. Now this makes me feel good. There was $74,000 in this contract the other day. Now there's $96,000 in the contract. So again, just like we just watched the BUSD crop yield farmers come to an end, we know that the DinoBusd is going to come to an end one day too. The objective is to get your initial money back and then try to make some money. So yeah, basically, I learned this from Crypto Craig. This takes about 2 weeks before you can break even. My first week will be the 7th of July that I can actually withdraw. You claim every day, every 24 hours, and then in 7 days you get to withdraw. So again, another project, DinoBusd. There was 74,000 BUSD in the contract. Now there's 96,000. They actually have a lottery feature here that people play for the lottery, which is real good. It helps the contract. So again, bringing you 3 projects right there. The Rothschild's Winery, the BUSD yield farmers that ran out of money, the B&B crop farmers yield that just launched. I would only, in my opinion, losers for me. But did you notice I'm not losing my mind because I didn't invest so much. You only invest what you're willing to lose. So I invested $900 some in the BUSD crop yield farmers. All right, click right here so you can learn about B&B Miner. This project's been out for 450 some days, pays 3% a day, the longest running miner on the planet. Click right here about the Cake of Fortune. We'll put that one there too. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later. Hey, happy 4th of July, everybody.